students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover exercise 6.4. Okay, so here it is totally based on the long division method, this exercise. Okay, so here it is, what is the question? We have to find the square root of the following numbers by division method. Okay, so in my introduction video I had introduced the long division method also for calculating the square root. So here you can see we have to calculate for 2304. So what you have to do? Like this you have to make one line, then you have to write the number 2304. Now you have to pair from the right side. Okay, 04 and 23. Now you have to write the number like squares of any number. Okay, like 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s is the 16, 5 5s are 25. So 5 5 to 25 is greater than 23. So what we have to write here? 4 4s are 16, right? Now we have to subtract this one. Okay, so 23 minus 16 is 7, and we have to down this both number here 04 because it is in pair. Okay, so here we get 704. Now here what you have to do, you have to add this both number. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now you have to see in which square you have the number, 4 in the units place. Okay, so we know 8 into 8 is 64 and 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, so we have the unit place 4 here in both 8 square and 2 square. So what we have to do here, we have to check 82 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s is 16. So 164 is not here. Now we will check for 88. 88 into 8. 8 8s is 64. 8 8s is 64 plus 6 is 70 I am getting. So this is our answer, 704. So what we have to write? 8 here, 88. Your both number will be same here also and in the quotient also. That will be the square root. Okay, that is the rule. So here I am getting 0. So what is your answer here? Like this you have to calculate by seeing the unit digit. Okay, so you should remember the squares of 1 to 10. Okay, at least 1 to 10. So here quotient, so here you can write, I am writing here, under root 2304 is equal to 48. Okay, so like this you have to calculate. Now come to the second part, 4489. This is 4489. So we should pair from the right side. Okay, here now you have to 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49. So 49 is greater than 44. So what you have to write? 6 6s are 36. Okay, now 44 minus 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay, this is 8. I am getting here 8 and this should be in down, that is 89. That is in pair, so you have to down both the numbers. Okay, now here 6 plus 6 is, here 6 plus 6 is 12. Now we have the numbers in the units place 9 in. 3 square is also 9 and 7 square is also 9. So we will check for 3, 123. This will be as it is, and here you should add 3 and multiply with same number. So we have to get this in the units place. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So it is 369. This will not be answer. Now we will check for 7. 127 into 7 7 sevens are 49, 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 7 plus 1 is 7 plus 1 8. So I am getting answer 889 here. So what you have to write here, 127 into 7. Okay, this should be the same number here. So minus 889. So I am getting here 0. So this is your answer. You should calculate like this multiplication and all in your rough work. Okay, this is your long division method, and under root of 4489, what I will get, this is the quotient, 67 is the square root of this one. Okay, now come to the third part, 3481. Here 3481. Okay, now 5 5s are 25 and 6 6 are 36. So 36 is greater than 34. So what should I write? 5 5s are 25. Now here 26, 27, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. This is 9. Okay, 34 minus 25 is 9, 81. 5 plus 5 is 10. So in the last, I will get 1 in 1 square and 9 is square, 81. So we will check by 9, 109 into 9, 9 9s are 81, 9 zeros are 0, plus 8 is 8, 9 1s are 9. So I am getting here the answer. So this will be 9, 981. Like this you have to calculate. Okay, so under root of 3481 is equal to 59. This is your answer. Okay, now here 529. So this is 529. We don't have any pairs here, so we will bar with one single digit. Okay, so you have to pair from the right side only. Okay, not from the left side. You should pair from the right side. Okay, here you can see 5. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, so 2 2s are 4 here. Then 1, this will be down, 29, 129. So here 2 plus 2 is 4. So we know that 3 square is equal to 9. Okay, and 7 square is equal to 49. So last digit should be 9. So in 3 square and 7 square we have the 9. So we will see 43 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So I am getting 129 as answer here. Okay, so it will go by 3. So what's the square root of 529? That is equal to 23. Like this you have to solve this long division method. Okay students, here fifth part is 3249. So like way we have to do this one, 3249. You have to pair from the right side here, 4932. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36. So here 5 5s are 25. 12 minus 5 is 7, 749. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, so we will check for 7. 107 into 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7, 749. I am getting here minus 7490. So under root of 3249 is equal to 57. Like this you have to solve. Okay, now come here 1369. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16 will be greater than 13. So we have to write 3 3s are 9. So it will be 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. Now we will check for (67) into 7. 7 7s are 49. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 4 is 469. So it will be 7. will be 0. So under root of 1369 is equal to 37. Okay, now come here, under root of 5776. Here it is 57. So 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49 and 8 8 are 64. So 7 7 are 49. Okay. So here 17 minus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That is 8. 8, 76. Okay. 7 plus 7 is 14. 144 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 16, 17. 1 4 1s are 4, 5. It is 576. So I will see by 146 into 6. Okay. So 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24. 25, 26, 27. 6 1 is 6, 7, 8. So I am getting here 876. So 146 into 6 minus 876. 0. Okay. So like this you have to calculate. Okay. So easy, right? Like this you have to put. Only squares you have to remember up to 10. Here 7921. Okay. So 6 6 are 36, 7 7 are 49, 8 8 are 64 and 9 9 are 81. So 81 is greater than 79. So we will take less than. So 8 8 are 64. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 7 minus 6 is 1. 1521 I am getting here. So 8 plus 8 is 16. So we will see by 9. 9 9s are 81. Okay. So 9 9s are 81. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8 is 62. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. So I am getting here 1521. So here under root of 7921 is equal to 89. So like this is the long division method. Okay students, here 576. Okay. So we should pair from the right side 76 and 5. Okay. So here 2 2s are 4, 176. 2 plus 2 is 4 and we will check for 4. 4 4s are 16. 16, 17. So I am getting 176 by 4. So here like this you have to write. So under root of 576 is equal to 24. Like this you have to write. Okay. Now in the 10th question, this is 1024. Like this you have to pair. Then 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. 2, 4 is. This is where we get down. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now we will check in which square we have the last digit as 4. So here 2 2s are 4 and 8 8s are 64. So here easily we can solve here 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. Okay. So under root of 1024 is equal to 32. Like this you have to solve. Now 3136, come to the 11th one. You have to pair from the right side, right? So here 5 5s are 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. It is 6, 36. Okay. So 5 plus 5 is 10. We will see for 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 1 is 6. Okay. So what I am getting here? 56. Under root of 3136 equal to 56. You can practice it. Okay. By practicing you can easily solve and your solving is also fast by practice. Okay. Here 900, that is the 12th question for the question number 1. Here 0 0 and 9. So what is 3 3s are 9. Okay. 3 plus 3 is 6, zeros are 0. Answer under root of 900 is equal to 30. So this is the question number 1. Okay students, here it is next question is question number 2. So here find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers. Without any calculation, we have to say how many number of digits of the square root of these numbers. Okay, means if it is 64, so we know that it is a 64, that is the single digit. So how we calculate that number of, what is the number of digits? We know 64 under root of 64 under root 144, but it is the larger number. So how you can tell that number of digits is 1 or 2 or 3 in the given number? So for this we have the some formula. If n is equal to even, okay, and is the number of digits, that is it is 2, so 2 is even. Okay, n is where? N is the number of digits. Okay, if n is equal to even, so n by 2. Okay, for calculating number of digits of the square root. Okay, for calculating the number of digits in square root, that is asking. So for if n is equal to even, that is the number of digits, that is here it is 2. So for 2 we have 2 by 2, that is 1. So here it is single digit. Okay, that is the question, that how many number of digits of the square root. So here it is 8, that is a single digit I am getting here without any calculation. Okay, if n is equal to odd, so that will be n plus 1 by 2 is the formula. Here it is 3. Okay, so here n equal to 3, so n plus 1 by 2, that is 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 2 2 is 4. So answer is 2 here. Okay, here 4 is the even number, here n equal to 4. 4 digits are there. Okay, so it is even number. So for even, n by 2, 4 by 2. Okay, so the 2 digit will be there in the square root of this number. Here you can count 4 and 5. So n equal to 5, that is odd. So here 5 plus 1 by 2, 6 by 2, answer is 3. So digit will be 3 in the square root. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here n equal to 6, that is even number. So n by 2, that is 6 by 2, answer is 3. So digit is 3. Okay students, next question is for the decimal numbers we have to find the square root. So what we have to do here, let's see here. Okay, like this we have to write in the long division method, and now we should pair this. Okay, after decimal this is one pair. Okay, so here it will not go by 2 2s are 4. Okay, that will be the greater. So 1 1 by 1 1s are 1. Okay, so here I am 1 and 56 will be here, and this decimal will be here. Okay, then 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we have to calculate in which number we have to. 6 6 is 36, we know. So 6 6 is 36, 3 6 12 13 14 15. So 156. So answer is under root of 2.56 is equal to 1.6. So this is the difference, that if it is decimal number, so you should put here decimal in the place of decimal. Okay, like this we have second question. Like this you have to pair. Okay, then 3 3s are 9, so 2 2s are 4, 5 6 7, it is 329. 2 plus 2 is 4, 7. Here we have to put decimal here. Then 7 7 is 49, 7 4 is 28, 29 30 31 32. Okay, so answer is 2.7. Okay, answer is this one. can write here under root of 7.29 is equal to 2.7, like this. Okay, now the third one, seven sevens are 49, so I am getting here to 84. Okay, here I put decimal here. Okay, then 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. It will go by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So what I will get, under root of 51.84 is equal to 7.2. So understood? Okay, in the place of decimal you have to put the decimal, that is the difference. Otherwise the same is, that is the long division method, you have to write the pairs, you have to put the pairs, then should put like this. Okay, like 4, this is like this, you have to pair from the right hand side. Then 6 6 are 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So it is 6, 25. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 5, in the 5 only we have the last digit 5. So for the decimal we have to put decimal here. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 1, 5 1s are 5, 6. So I am getting here like this. So under root of 42.25 is equal to 6.5. Okay, so this is the questions. That is the last question, fifth number. We have to solve 31.36. So here 5 5s are 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, 6, 36. Here 5 plus 5 is 10. So I am getting here 6 6 are 36, 6 1s are 6. So under root of 31.36 is equal to 5.6. Like this you have to solve the decimal numbers. Okay students, let's move to the next question, that is question number 4 here. What you have to do is find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. So these numbers are not the perfect squares. Okay, so we have to make a perfect square. What will be the remainder here? Okay, so you have to subtract that remainder with this number, then you will get the, after that you have to find the square root of that perfect square obtained. Okay, so here is the first question. 2 2s are 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. Here 0 2, zeros are 0 2. So I am getting, sorry, not 0. I am getting 2 as the remainder. Okay, so what we have to do is 402, 2 is the least number. Okay, least number is 2, that we have to subtract with this number. So I am getting here 400. Then after this you have to find the square root of the perfect square. This is the perfect square, so we have to find the 400 square, that is 20, that is the 20. Okay, the same number. Like this you have to find all the questions. Now come to the second part. Here 4 4s are 16, 7 8 9, 3, 89, 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, then what it will be, 83 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24. 87 into 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56 and 4, that is 60. 609 will be bigger number. So we will write here 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, right? So what we will get here 4 and this will be 1. So 140 as a remainder. So we have to 1989 minus 140. So 9481. So this is the perfect square 1849. So under root of 1849 is equal to 43. Sorry, this is the mistake here. We have the 4 4s are 16 also. So 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 8 4s are 32 plus 1 is 336. So 336 will be right here. Okay. So sorry for the wrong. Nine minus 6 is 3 and I am getting here 4 5 6 7 8. It is 53. Okay, 53 as the remainder. So 1989 minus 53. So 9 minus 3 is 6, 8 minus 5 is 3, 1936. So under root of 1936 is equal to 44. This is the right answer. Now come to the third part, like this. 5 5 is 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. That is 750. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. Here 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. Okay. So it is, remainder is 1. So 1 is the least number here. So what you have to subtract 3250 minus 1, that is 3249. Okay, 3249. So under root of 3249 is equal to 57. Like this you have to solve. Okay, here fourth part, 825. So 2 2s are 4. Here 425. Okay. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32 plus 6 is 384. Okay. So I am getting here 9 10 11 9 10 11 12 41. 41 as the remainder. Okay. So what we have to do here, 825 minus 41 has to get the perfect square. Okay. 5 minus 1 is 4. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay. Then 7. So 784. Under root of 784 is equal to 28. Okay. Now this is the fifth question. Question number 4th, last question. Okay. So here 6 6 is 36. 400. 6 plus 6 is 12. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 9. 4 1s are 4. 496 will be greater. So I will go with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 3 1s are 3. Okay. So 10 9 1. 9 6 3. And 3 is 3 cancel. So here what is the remainder here? 31. So we will subtract 4000 minus 31. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. Then 9. Then 3. So 3969 is the perfect square. Under root of 3969 is equal to 63. Okay students, I hope you understood up till here. In this in the next video I will cover rest of the questions of exercise 6.4. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.